It's another great day here at European Motors, and it's Toyota time. We have a 2024 Toyota Sienna minivan LE, 16,000 miles. I think it's just about to roll 17,000 miles, 2024. We have the tow hitch on the back for a bike rack or anything else you might need, and we got white exterior on this nice I call it a two-tone gray interior, and it is a really nice place to be in here. Get the back opened up. We got the captain's chairs here. This is an 8-seater minivan as well. We do have the center seat there that is removable, armrests, and these seats are super easy to move. There's a handle right here to slide it forward and back. It's easy to get in and out. I'll go more into that shortly. Power doors. We have a good set of Falcon all-season tires. The good amount of tread left on those. Not new, but my guess is they probably have around 16,000 miles on it. And this van's in really good shape. One owner, clean Carfax. Good service on the Carfax as well. Driver's seats in great shape, as you would expect. Power doors. I'll show you how these seats work. So you have two levers here. This top one, this one is going to be to fold the seat up and then slide it forward. Makes it really easy to get in the back. Or since we have this center seat taken out right now, you can honestly, if you have young kids, they can just kind of climb over and get in. And these seats are on rails as well, so you can slide these forward quite a bit, and that's what this is for. One-handed. We have Maddie here to help, but honestly, I don't need it. They slide really easy. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention, this is an all-wheel drive minivan as well. So this is not a front-wheel drive minivan that I guess I grew up with, that I'm more so used to. We do have, this is the center seat that goes right up there. So this is all-wheel drive Sienna minivan. I'll show you these seats. I'm gonna do the heavier one just to kind of show you how easy it is. I'm gonna do it one-handed. So fold that down, and then you have this little pull right here, and these have like an assist shock that just makes it really light. It makes it really easy. I think you don't even have to recline it. You can just one hand, I mean, that's 20-30 seconds right there. Have the seats folded up or down one-handed while holding a camera in your other hand. And then you have a ton of room in here as well. You can slide those two seats really far forward, get a ton of space while still having seating for 5. Sighting down the driver's side here, not seeing any door dings. The front end again is in really good shape. There's maybe a little bit of dirt down here that the detailers missed. Might be a small little scuff there, but I mean, overall, I mean, you're getting a brand new all-wheel drive Toyota Sienna for a heck of a discount for what the new ones go for. Got someone calling on it already. Let's hop in and take it for a spin. All right. Push button start. See all the gauges, warning lights come on and then clear as they should. Put it in reverse. See, we have nice backup camera. Nice sound system as well. Bluetooth phone, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. And it's just cool. This is all-wheel drive. So the minivans of the past, you know, they were all front-wheel drive. Here in the Midwest in the wintertime, let's just face it, they really didn't get around the snow great at all. Where this, I mean, this is a car you drive every day of the year. Rain, snow, shine, it's gonna get you where you need to go.
the interior is insanely comfortable. I feel like I almost have too much leg room.
Yeah.
It's so well crafted. It's beautiful inside. Like this almost bronze copper detailing is so cool. You've got a shelf up here. There's a little purse hook back here.
Storage everywhere. Storage and USB charging ports just everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's more. I feel like there's another one up there that I just found. Tons and tons. And I don't know, that's just a great thing about a minivan is they're just so practical. You know, I'm a kind of a hobbyist. I like to do woodworking and stuff like that. Looking at the back there, I mean, you could fit, I think it's wide enough you could fit a 4x8 sheet of plywood just about. I mean, just the practicality out of this, and then you don't have to sacrifice that all-wheel drive either. This is gonna get great fuel economy. It looks like right now it's been averaging, I don't know how long this is for, but 32.7 miles to the gallon. I mean, try doing that in your pickup truck that's hauling, you know, plywood or anything like that. It's gonna fit 8 people or 2 to 5 people with a ton of stuff. It is a windy day here, but we'll run it down the ramp here, get it up to highway speed, so it does everything it should and nothing it shouldn't. Of course, this is still under Toyota factory warranty, so if there is any issues, take it to the Toyota dealership. They'll get you taken care of. That's 55, 60 miles an hour. Straight and true, even on this windy day. Just gave me a little beep there that the roads might be icy. Again, what more could you want? 2024 Toyota Sienna all-wheel drive with 116,977 miles. Give us a call with any questions, 319-393-8496. My name is Tommy. Maddie is in the passenger seat. We'd be glad to help you out with any questions you might have. Or feel free to stop on in here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Eastern Iowa. We'd be glad to show you around the car, take it for a drive with you. 319-393-8496, EuropeanMotorsIowa.com. Thanks for watching.